Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a direct connection to the server. Use credentials with at least read metadata privileges. Once connected, open your preferred client, PSQL, MySQL, SQLCMD, or a GUI, because the commands differ by DBMS. Make sure to target the correct instance and database when multiple servers exist, otherwise you might query the wrong system. Now that you have a live session, you can run the first diagnostic commands to reveal version details. Next, execute the DBMS-specific queries to extract precise version strings. This gives build and patch info. For example, in MySQL use select version, while in PostgreSQL you can use select version or show server version, which returns the core release. For SQL Server, run select ATAT version or the server property call to get numeric product version. Be mindful. Managed cloud instances may report both engine and cloud layer versions, so record the full. Finally, you confirm and document the exact version string and addition so you can plan patches or compatibility work. Once done, save the raw output to your changelog and compare it to vendor lifecycle tables. This explains why updates may be urgent. If the query fails or returns empty, make sure your credentials include metadata rights, confirm the host and port are reachable, and verify you connected to the intended instance before escalating to the DBA or network team.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.